Hello friends, let's talk about grammar topic, and it's a very important topic, simple present tense. Simple present tense is used everywhere when you talk about daily habits, universal truths, regular activities, general statements, and if we give instructions, we always do it in a simple present tense. Example, if I talk about daily habit, example is I wake up at 6 a.m. So I've not used anything. Will, have, shall, no, nothing. We have used a simple present tense here to express my feelings. I wake up at 6 a.m. Similarly, if I'm talking about universal truth, which is known by everyone, example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, it will always be in simple present tense. Now, if you talk about regular activities, anything which I do on a regular basis, that will also be in a simple present tense. Example, she goes to school every day. Now, if you're talking about in general statement, birds fly, it will also be in simple present tense. And if you're giving instructions to anyone, example, first open your book, then open your notebook, then go to page number 46 or 47. So these all instructions will be in, got it, simple present tense. Let's move to the next slide to understand how to form simple present tense. Now, if the subject of any sentence starts with I, you, we, and they, we will use the base form of the verb. Example, I play football. Simple verb. We eat lunch at 1 p.m. But if the subject is he, she, it, and the name of any person, we will add s or es to the verb. Example, he plays football. She watches cartoons. It rains in July. Rohan reads book. Let's learn when to add s or es in the verb. Well, if it's a normal word, play becomes plays, read becomes reads, walk becomes walks. But when the verb ends with o, ch, sh, s, or x, we will add es to it. For example, go becomes goes, watch becomes watches, wash becomes washes, fix becomes fixes, and kiss becomes kisses. Let's have some examples. She go to school is wrong. She goes to school is correct. I walks fast? No, it should be I walk fast. They eat dinner? That's incorrect. They eat dinner is the right one. Let's have some more examples. I live in India. We never say I lives in India. We say I live in India. So this is the right sentence. She sings very well? Correct. She sings very well. We study English every day is a right sentence. The earth moves around the sun. It's a universal truth. We have used present tense, correct. And he needs help is again a present tense sentence. Let's see. I have already made the changes to it. So the first sentence is she reads a story. Correct. She reads a story. She is the subject. So we will add s to the verb. We go to school. Yes, right. We go to school is the one. The dog barks is the right one. I like mangoes. Yes, we don't say I likes. We say I like mangoes. He washes. Wash become washes. And we will use es to it. So he washes his hands because wash word ends with sh. So any word ending with sh, ch, we will add es to it. We've just learned it in the previous slide. Let's move and let's see how to change a simple continuous tense into a simple present tense. Now the sentence is they are playing. They are playing. It's a simple continuous tense. Continuous means the work is going on. They are playing. Now if I have to say change it into a present tense, we will say they play. So we will remove are from the sentence and ing from the verb. Similarly, in the next sentence, he is eating. We will remove is and ing from the verb, so it becomes he eats. I am studying, it will become I study. He is reading becomes he reads. They are watching TV will be changed into they watch TV. I am eating will be changed and we will say I eat in a simple present tense. Let's see some more examples. So she dash go to school every day. It will be she goes to school every day. I like ice cream. With I, it is always like. So we will use I like ice cream. He wash will become washes. He washes his hands before eating. Birds fly in the sky. It's right. Birds fly in the sky. They play in the park will be remain same. Rohan reads the newspaper is the right sentence. Dogs bark loudly. Dogs bark loudly. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. The sun rises in the east is the right one. My mother cooks food would be the right sentence. She speaks English. So we have to add S after word speak. He do his homework? Wrong. He does his homework. They plays cricket? No, they play cricket. Ria study in the class? Ria studies in the class. IES will be added to study word. The cat chase the mouse? No, 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 no. The right sentence is that the cat chases the mouse. Teachers checks notebooks every week? No. Teachers check notebooks every week. The train leave at 6 a.m. It should be the train leaves at 6 a.m. He do yoga daily? No, he does yoga daily. She go to temple every morning? She goes to temple every morning would be the right one. I likes coffee? That's wrong. I like coffee. With I, we always use like word. Some more example. Now tell me which one is the correct one. He walk fast, he walks fast, or he walking fast. The correct one is the second one. This one. So we will use he walks fast. Next, they goes to the gym. They are going to the gym. They go to gym. Which one is the correct one? The last one. They go to the gym. When the sentence, the subject is they, we do not add s or es to it. So they goes is wrong. They goes to the gym. They going to the gym. If we are using ing, then we have to add helping verb are. So the right sentence would be they are going to the gym. But that would be simple present continuous tense. When we are talking about simple present tense, the third one is the right one. They go to the gym is the right one. So we have done almost everything here. So here it was right, and here this sentence was correct, the last one. Well, I have finished my chapter over here, and I thank you very much for watching my video. If you found this lesson helpful, please share, subscribe, and of course like the video, and do comment me in the below to tell me what topic you want me to cover next time. Well, I'll meet you next time with another topic. Till then, bye, and thank you for watching again. Bye for now.